Krishna. Myself Monica Raj and here to provide you some information about nervous system. So if you are interested, then watch this video. So let's start. Nervous system is made up of special tissue known as nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is made up of neuron. There are two types of neuron. They are sensory or efferent neuron and motor or efferent neuron. They both have different kinds of function, and they are the sensory neuron conduct the messages from the peripheral tissues and organs to the central nervous system, but the motor neuron conduct the messages from the central nervous system to the peripheral tissues or organs. For example, when a sharp thorn penetrates our leg, then the message of pain is sent to the central nervous system through the sensory neuron, and again it sends the information or impulses through the motor neuron to remove our leg. जस्तै नर्भस सिस्टम केले बनेको हुन्छ एउटा स्पेशल टिस्यु जसलाई नर्भस टिस्यु भनिन्छ र त्यो नर्भस टिस्यु पनि अर्को कुराले बनेको हुन्छ जसलाई न्यूरोन भनिन्छ र त्यो न्यूरोन चाहिँ दुई प्रकारको हुन्छन् पहिलो भनेको सेन्सरी और एफरेंट न्यूरोन अर्को भनेको मोटर और इफरेंट न्यूरोन यो दुईटै न्यूरोनहरुको विभिन्न किसिमको आफ्नो आफ्नो फंक्सन हुन्छ दुईटैले आफ्नो आफ्नो काम गर्छन् जस्तै सेन्सरी और एफरेंट न्यूरोनले पेरिफेरल टिस्यु र अर्गन बाट ब्रेन मतलब सेन्ट्रल नर्भस सिस्टम मा इन्फर्मेसन पुर्याउँछ भने मोटर न्यूरोनले सेन्ट्रल नर्भस सिस्टम जुनमा ब्रेन र स्पाइनल कर्ड पर्छ त्यहाँबाट हाम्रो शरीरको विभिन्न किसिमको अंगहरुमा इन्फर्मेसनहरु पुर्याउने गर्छन्। अब तपाईहरु भन्नुहुन्छ इन्फर्मेसनहरु कसरी पुर्याउँछन् एक अर्कामा कसरी यसको लागि विभिन्न किसिमको उदाहरणहरु पनि छ त्यसमध्येको एउटा उदाहरण भनेको जस्तै हाम्रो हात मिस्टेकली आगोमा पस्यो भने हामी के गर्छौं एकैचोटीमा हात हटाइहाल्छौं किनभने हाम्रो हात जहाँनेरि हामीले आगोले पोल्यो हो त्यहाँको टिस्युहरुले के भन्छ सेन्ट्रल नर्भस सिस्टममा इन्फर्मेसनहरु पुर्याउँछन् र त्यहाँबाट फेरि इन्फर्मेसनहरु यहाँ आउँछ कि तिमीले हातमा पोलिरहेछ हात हटाऊ भनेर इन्फर्मेसन आउँछ र हामी हात हटाउँछौं त्यो प्रोसेस एकदमै धेरै छिटो हुन्छ कि हामीलाई थाहा पनि हुँदैन पोल्नेबित्तिकै हामी हटाइहाल्छौं। अब सोच्नु कि कति छिटो त्यो प्रोसेसले काम गर्छ। त्यसैगरी हाम्रो अर्को टपिक छ नर्भ सेल। नर्भ सेल is the smallest unit of nervous system. It is often referred to as neuron. Each cell has long fibers, short fibers and nucleus. Long fibers just like action भनिन्छ, short fibers just like dendrites भनिन्छ। Dendrites carry messages towards the cell body, but the action carry messages away from the cell body. अहिले भर्खर हामीले एउटा टपिक जसको नाम हो नर्भ सेल को बारेमा बुझ्यौं। नर्भ सेल के हो? नर्भ सेल नर्भस सिस्टम जुन चाहिँ एउटा सिस्टम जसले हाम्रो पुरै बडीलाई कन्ट्रोल गर्छ हो त्यो सिस्टमको एउटा एकदमै सानो पार्ट हो नर्भ सेल। हरेक सेलमा न्यूक्लियस हुन्छ, लामो लामो फाइबर्सहरु हुन्छन्, त्यसैगरी सानो सानो फाइबर्सहरु पनि हुन्छन्। लङ फाइबर्सलाई एक्सन भनिन्छ र शॉर्ट फाइबर्सहरुलाई डेन्ड्राइट्स भनिन्छ। अब हामी नर्भस सिस्टमको अर्को इम्पोर्टेन्ट टपिकमा जाँदै छौं जसको नाम हो पार्ट्स अफ नर्भस सिस्टम। नर्भस सिस्टमको तीनवटा पार्ट हुन्छ, सेन्ट्रल नर्भस सिस्टम, पेरिफेरल नर्भस सिस्टम एन्ड अटोनोमिक नर्भस सिस्टम। सबैभन्दा सुरुमा हामी सेन्ट्रल नर्भस सिस्टम को बारेमा डिस्कस गरौं। सेन्ट्रल नर्भस सिस्टम को दुईवटा भाग हुन्छ, एउटा ब्रेन र अर्को स्पाइनल कर्ड। तपाईहरु सबैलाई थाहा नै छ होला हाम्रो बडी को लागि ब्रेन कति इम्पोर्टेन्ट कुरा हो। ब्रेन इज द मेन पार्ट अफ सेन्ट्रल नर्भस सिस्टम। The brain is covered by 3 connective tissue membranes called meninges, and the space between the inner meninges contains a fluid or liquid which is known as CSF, and it stands for cerebrospinal fluid. The brain gives out 12 pairs of cranial nerve. ब्रेनहरुलाई पनि 5 वटा भागमा डिभाइड गरिएको छ, जसको नाम हो सेरिब्रम, सेरिबेलियम, पोन्स भ्यारोली, मेडुला अब्लन्गाटा र मिड ब्रेन। यो 5 वटा पार्ट्सहरुको बारेमा हामी बुझ्ने छौं। सो सबैभन्दा सुरुमा बुझौं सेरिब्रमको बारेमा। सेरिब्रम इज द लार्जेस्ट पार्ट अफ ब्रेन। सेरिब्रमलाई पनि 2 वटा भागमा डिभाइड गरिएको छ। सेरिब्रम इज डिवाइडेड इन्टु 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स by a deep cleft from a middle, and this opposite or half of the brain controls the opposite side of the body. Now the function of cerebrum. There are many functions of cerebrum, but some of them are here. Cerebrum is the control center of thinking, learning, imagination, and etc. And the cerebrum helps to respond the stimuli of pain, touch, sight, temperature, etc. It controls the involuntary muscular movements also and autonomic nervous system also. So these are the some function of cerebrum. Now the next part is cerebellum. It is the second largest part of brain, and cerebellum helps to maintain the posture and muscle tone of the body. It keeps the body in balanced state, and next is it controls the voluntary muscular movement. Third is midbrain. Midbrain lies between the pons vairoli and cerebrum, and its function is to relay the impulses to and fro between the brain and other parts of the body. And the now the next 2 parts are pons vairoli and medulla oblongata. These 2 parts also helps to transfer the impulses sent by the peripheral parts and brain, and it helps to transmit. They act as bridge also. So now the next topic is about the spinal cord. A spinal cord is the part of central nervous system. Spinal cord, the function of spinal cord is it is the control center of reflex action, and spinal cord helps to transmit the impulses to the different parts of the body. There are 31 pairs of spinal nerves which is spread in our whole body parts. Reflex action is an immediate and autonomous motor response to the sensory stimulus is called reflex action. For example, salivation of mouth after looking or smelling at delicious food, blinking of eyes, withdrawal of hand after touching hot objects unknowingly. This reflex action is controlled by spinal cord. It is not under the control of brain. Similarly, the next two parts of nervous system are peripheral nervous system and autonomic nervous system. So let's discuss about these two types. So first is peripheral nervous system. The 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 31 pairs of spinal nerve. These take part or they work in the peripheral part of the body. These are called the peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system are motor, sensory and mixed. Motor neuron are those neurons who conduct the messages from the central nervous system to the peripheral nervous system, and sensory neuron conduct the messages from the peripheral organs to the central nervous system. Mixed nerve perform the both function. The last part of nervous system is autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system is also part of nervous system and it work automatic. For example, when we are at fast sleep, then also our heart pump the blood and the heartbeat is going on because of autonomic nervous system. There are many more examples. For example, the secretion of urine by the kidney and the digestion of food in digestive tract, respiration through lungs. These all are the examples of autonomic nervous system, which is not controlled by our brain. These all are controlled by the involuntary muscles, and brain also control this, but not all. Now, the two types of autonomic nervous system are parasympathetic nervous system and sympathetic nervous system. These two types of system have opposite effect, and by the help of opposite effect they are controlled. For example, the parasympathetic nervous system and sympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system causes the dilation of pupil, but the parasympathetic causes the constriction of pupil. Similarly, the sympathetic nervous system speeds up the function, but parasympathetic slows them down. So, these are the two types of autonomic nervous system. I hope you would like it. Have a good day. Jai Shree Krishna, and thank you for your attention.